making it out today to share with you guys my secret on how to get better audio. Got my audio to go from this. The meetup is right down that road, but it's one way, so let's go around all these potholes to how you guys are hearing it now, even at 55 or 60 miles an hour. Would you guys believe if I said it didn't have to do with the camera, the adapter, or the microphone that I use? So are you guys ready for the secret? Those of you who have followed me for a while may notice it's a new helmet. Surprisingly, I got the audio to sound that different just from the helmet, but my dad taught me when I was younger, which never really thought about, but now it came very much in handy, is the overall shape of the helmet and the quality of the padding or insulation and foam inside the helmet is what has made such a huge difference on this. So before I got this Arai Quantum X, I have been running a Shui RF 1400 the entire time of being on the motorcycle filming. While Shui has always been my go-to company for motorcycle helmets, considering it's all I've ever worn, the Arai is definitely a better quality helmet, at least the level that I got. This is not a cheap helmet, nor is it their most expensive helmet. Did research on Arai. The thing that I really like about them is keeping the more round shape. I feel like it kind of fits this bike better. The padding that they use is much nicer, as well as it has a pad cover. In my opinion, I think this helmet is essentially like almost made for motovlogging. I know it's not, and they don't say anything on here or on their website or anything about it. Think about your helmet if you guys are having audio issues or going to buy a new helmet. I personally recommend Arai. I was able to tuck everything in here very nice and clean. You literally cannot tell that there's a microphone in this helmet besides where the cabling comes out. But going to keep this one short for you guys, at least the informational part about it. Thank you for checking it out. If you do like it, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And I am going to continue on down to the water in Galesville. So if you guys want to see what we can get. So many sailboats out today. So we are at a museum down in Galesville. Always passed this place but never actually stopped here, nor do I actually know what it's actually a museum about. But there's a boat, let's go look at it. Don't know if this is someone's house or not. Maybe this is the museum. Bought in 1901 for $800 with 2 acres in the house. That's crazy. Basically, in 1901, I could have a house and 2 acres instead of this helmet. Well, I'll be back. Go inside. Galesville itself is less than 2 square miles and has just over 600 people that live here, which I think is pretty crazy. Such a tiny little town. If you guys are still here watching this, thank you guys for watching the whole video and giving me support. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you guys want to get out and ride, let me know. And of course, subscribe and see where we go and what I learn in the future.